Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty. Hey, I've got another great listing for you. 1728 Simsbury in Plano, Texas. If you're looking for a great West Plano home, 5 bedrooms, lots of light, let's go check it out. This is a spacious 2-story, 5-bedroom home located in Central Plano. The floor plan offers a generous space for everyone with 3 large living areas, a separate dining room, and sizable bedrooms. The eat-in kitchen has great storage, along with great countertops and a well-lit dining area next to large windows. The primary bedroom is located on the first floor with an oversized ensuite bathroom featuring separate vanities, granite countertops, and a walk-in shower. Recent updates include luxury vinyl floors installed in the first floor living rooms and dining rooms. The private backyard provides a covered deck and plenty of grassy area to play or entertain. Hey, so if you're looking for an amazing house in an amazing location, you've got to check this out. Plano Schools, great parks, and great trails. Hey, schedule today. Once again, Sam Thomas, 469-298-9786. See you then.